Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class again. We are continuing with our second chapter, working with layers in Animate CC 2019. In our last two classes, we have learned what are layers, how to select a layer, how to insert a new layer, how to change the order of the layer, how to rename a layer, how to lock or unlock layers, how to show or hide layers, and how to delete a layer. Then we learned how to creating a background, how to drawing a plant, and how to creating a sun, how to drawing arrows and creating water droplets and minerals. And in today class we are learning what are the masking and what are the onion skinning. First, what is masking in animation? Masking, as the name suggests, means to conceal a part of the content and reveal the limited portion of it. Animate provides this feature to create spotlight effect to display the object through a hole. A mask item on the mask layer can be a filled shape, a text, an instance of the graphic symbol, or a movie clip. The mask item acts as the window that displays the portion of a content in the layer below. There are the steps to create a mask layer. First, open a new file by clicking File, New option in Animate. Second step, click on File, then Import to Stage to import an image to the stage. Step 3, press F8 to convert image into a symbol of a graphics type. Step 4, click on frame 50 and press F5 to insert a frame. Step 5, move the objects to bottom right side of the stage using selection tool. Step 6, right click on frame 1 and select create motion print option. Step 7, click on frame 40 and move the image to the top left corner using selection tool. Step 8, insert a new layer and rename it as mask. Step 9, in the mask layer, select the polystar tool and draw a star wider than the object with blue fill color. Step 10, right click on the mask layer and select the mask option. The layer will be converted to a mask layer. Then step 11, press Ctrl plus Enter to preview the animation. Students, one thing you have to remember, when a layer is converted into a mask layer, all the layers are locked automatically. Now, second important feature is onion skinning. What is onion skinning? Onion skinning allows the user to view each part of the animation on multiple frames at the same time. By default, the selected frames are displayed in full color and the remaining frames are dimmed out. Animate provides the onion skinning tool to view and control the position of animated object over several successive frames. Onion skin tools are present at the bottom of the timeline. User have to follow the given steps for onion skinning. Step 1, create an object in frame 1 on the stage as shown. Step 2, press Ctrl plus F8 to convert it into a symbol of movie clip type. Step 3, insert a keyframe at frame 2. Step 4, click onion skin button and change the position of the object using free transform tool. Step 5, insert keyframes till frame 30 and change the position of the object in every frame. Step 6, move the start and end markers to set the range of onion skin mode. And last step, press Ctrl plus Enter to see the effect. So class, in this chapter we have learned what is layer, how to lock and unlock the layer, how to delete a layer, what is masking of the layer, and what is onion skinning. With this video I am sending question answer of this chapter which you have to do in your notebook. Thank you class for watching.